I am an idiot. It's a good way to start out a video, huh? I had 5 minutes of footage here. Well, I thought I had 5 minutes of footage of me opening my latest package, and it had some commentary to go with it. Well, here's the package. It's open. The fight to open it is over. It came in a triangle-shaped package. I forgot to press the record button, but I pressed it now, so let me get you set up and we'll put this on the saw. Am I recording? Hey. Okay. We're already loosened. I prettied the saw up last night, cleaned it up right nicely. Alright, we're untangled. Even though it don't matter which direction the bar's in, we're going to try and put it so at least it looks like it's going, you know, what most people would consider the only direction to run it, even though they're both two-sided. I'll confess, I never put a bar on this big. Probably making a fool of myself to those of you that have. Snug this up. Off with the chain brake, lift the tip of the bar. I can't imagine a situation in Pennsylvania where you'd need a bar bigger than that. I'm not on the West Coast. I'm talking Pennsylvania here. Can I even get that in one shot? Yeah, barely. We're gonna go cut something. I'll give you a helmet cam view.